Hello everyone. Today we'll learn construction of triangle, that is exercise 11.2. So first question is construct triangle ABC in which BC is given 7 centimeter. I have drawn BC here 7 centimeter. Draw line segment 7 centimeter. Of angle B is 75 degree and AB plus AC is 13 centimeter. So whenever it is addition, you need not worry, there is only single method to draw it. So first we will construct 75. 75 will be here. Arc. First cut 60 degree. Second cut is 120. From here top cut. I hope all know this one. So 90 degree not required for us. So but this is 60 and this part is 30. We want only 15 out of it. So I will bisect this we call it as angular bisector from here and one more over here. Then now we get this part here. Draw the thick line. This is 75 degree. So when we draw 75, we'll go back to the question. 13 centimeter. What is this? AB plus AC is 13. So this angle line, we will extend it up to 13 centimeter. So see to that you start your sum at the base of the page. So 13. So we have. So you need to note this is not A. This is some point X. So from here join X to C. After joining, we are going to bisect XC. Bisecting is from here, more than half, one arc up, one arc down, in front and back of XC. Here you need not worry at all where the arc come in. Just we are going to bisect XC, that is we are cutting XC into equal half. Again, this is not a main line, so we'll draw dotted line here where this bisector intersects XB. That point is required, and I'll take this point as A, the other vertex of triangle here. Now we got it. Our main triangle ABC is a required triangle over here. Now let us measure what are the. We have to get correct 13. AB I have got it as 5.5 and AC I got it as 7.5. So AB is 5.5, AC is 7.5. When you add them, we get AB plus AC equal to 13 centimeter. Steps of construction will be displayed on the screen. Now for the second sum, construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 8 centimeter. Here I have drawn BC 8 centimeter, and at B we have to construct 45 degree and AB minus AC is 3.5. For the previous sum I told you, for addition you need not worry, same step is there. But for when it is subtraction, we have to do it two different ways. Now how we are going to handle this sum, check out. First we will draw a rough diagram here. Since base is given BC and B is 45 degree. AB minus AC, AB should be greater than AC. So that's why we get a positive value. So our technique to remember will be, I will start AB given first angle side. From angle side we are going to the other one. Check out, I'll repeat again. This is technique to remember what type of sum or how do we construct. Angle is given from the angle line, that is AB. We are going on to the other side. Then we will be cutting this 3.5 as a top cut. Above on the angle line we are going to cut it. So what do I mean with that? Check out. First I'll construct 45 here. For 45, 90. First cut top from first second here. This is not the main line, so I'll just give a dotted thing. Then angular bisector of it here, half of 90 degree. This is our main angle, so I'll draw here a thick line. And we don't know how much to extend, so let it be 45. So as I told 45, 45. AB is required. So now we will measure 3.5 here in the scale. And what do I mean is, from B cut this above line here like this. And then this will be your 3.5 centimeter. Take this point as some point X. Join from X to C. That is not our A and not required triangle. Now when we have taken some point X, XC bisected, arc up and down from X. Bisecting is cutting into two equal half. So from here, what we'll do is we'll extend this line. We'll extend this line as well as this 45 degree line we will extend, and see, we go on extending until they meet. So do not take up a small space in your book and start constructing. So this point where they meet is A, and from here A I will join it to C. So this big triangle, this triangle, the whole triangle is our required triangle. So let us measure whether we get the correct value. This I am getting here as 12. AB I got 12. Then this I am getting it as 8.5. See, AB is 12 and AC I am getting 8.5. So here we get 5, 3.5. Correct? Done. Now for the third question, here construct triangle PQR in which QR is 6 cm and Q is given 60 degree and PR minus PQ is 2 cm. So before starting the sum, we will check out with the rough diagram. So this is QR given and this is 60 degree. Now look out for this minus sign, PR minus PQ. So PR, this will be P here from here. So PR should be greater. Opposite, we are coming from, this is PR given, I will come from PR to PQ. We are coming from opposite side of the angle given. So to make a note of this one, PR is greater here. So to get to, from angle to opposite side, from here I am coming back to the angle side. So here we will make our technique as a down cut. Now what I mean again by down cut, if at all you have, you remember this part, from angle to outside, so it is above, up we have cut this 3.5. Now look at this sum, how do we do it? Since it is 60 degree, I have taken here arc and first cut 60 degree. So 60 degree line, here we have to extend this down here in this case. So that's what I mean about down cut. Instead of cutting it on the top, we will cut it at the produced backward. So here we'll take 2 because it is given there 2. From here I will cut down. So these are the simple things you have to note down before starting only the sum. Draw rough diagram and check out. Now this is some point X. From here join to X or to X. So same again. From here bisect XR more than half nearing to X, and this part wherever these arcs are, no need to worry about that part. So now when the bisected line and the angle line, see, this is angle line, bisected line, they meet at certain point, and that point is your third vertex. Bring it down. So this point is P. So PQR is the required PQR. Don't go down here. This part is the PQR required triangle. Let us measure here and check out. This I got it 4. I somewhat 3.5. I feel 3.5. Some 0.1 or 2 you can make. Yes, here this is 5.5. This is 3.5. Check. So this is 3.5 and here. So I got here PR as 5.5 and PQ equal to 3.5. When we subtract PR minus PQ, so we get here 2 centimeter. Now for the fifth sum here, since fourth sum is removed for 2021 exam, so we will be working out fifth one. Construct right triangle whose base is, so right triangle like this. I've taken here base BC, so I'll take this BC, you can name it anything. 90 degree we are going to construct. This is 12 and here they mention sum of its hypotenuse and other side. So here if I take AC, so it is AC plus AB. So this becomes like the first sum. AC plus AB is equal to 18 centimeter. So we have to draw it like, construct like the first sum. So 18, when you check this addition and this big number, so what you do is just leave it, draw your line at the base of the page so that 18 should come in the page. So I will have to construct 90 degree here because it is a right triangle. So 90 from here, first cut, here this cut and this. Okay, so this is the main line and I have to extend it. My scale is small. I will extend 15 plus 3. Okay, yeah. So this is some point X 18 from X to C. It would have been better if we use a big scale, but no. Manage drawing it. So X is, this X is some point, not A. So same thing what we did, even my compass will be in a tension to, yes, finally I made this one up more than half. I can go up to here only, the compass limit, up and here to right here to cut this part, this arc, and from here tension to the compass. No worries, it managed to do it. Yeah, from here this line. Now what is important here is this point where the bisector. So when we bisect, do keep a note that this part and this part should be equal, at least visibly it should be equal. You can judge that you have done it, the construction right or not. So this point is A. From A I will join it to C. So which one, after so big triangle, our required triangle is small comparatively. So this is ABC required triangle, 90 degree. I will measure here. This I am getting 4.5 or approximately 5. I will take, yeah, 5. Then this should be 13. Yes. AC I got it as 13 centimeter. Oh, we got a Pythagorean triplet, 5 centimeter. Add it, we will get here 18 centimeter. Hypotenuse and the other side, sum of it is 18 centimeter. I hope you all understood.